Alright, hey guys, Simon here, and it's time for another save file release of my Minecraft world. So where are we? Ooh, lag. So we're at the Fireworks project, and our home base is in that direction. There's the lagoon, so if you're wondering where the fireworks is, it's up in this way. And what's first? Well, first of all, if you can see the torch on a stick there, there's two of them. One is the main switch for the whole fireworks. So this one is, it's not really finished, it's just, this is what I'm doing for the moment. So the main switch is there, and then the service entrance is here. Oh, before we get on, so the save file, the link should be in the video description, and you're allowed to do whatever you want with the save file, whatever you can think of, except don't take credit for my work. So if you use it or show it to someone, then tell them that I'm the one who created it. But aside from that, do what you like. Okay, so the other torch on the stick is here, and this is the fireworks service access. So down these stairs we have the obsidian TNT chambers for the fireworks, and then further down we have the switches to select the delay on each of the fireworks, and then further down we have all the circuitry, which is nothing important except it looks kind of cool and it's pretty impressive when you come down here, but there's nothing you need to do down here. So I put in the half slabs on all the ground so that nothing should spawn. Occasionally a tiny slime will spawn on one of these circuits and jump off, but since they're tiny slimes, they're not really a threat or anything. Anyway, so this is what it looks like down here when it's all finished. Like this. I mean, the wall's not finished, but all the stuff within is done. So I'm using the half slabs again just to stop things from spawning in this space. So yeah, I'll just keep it brief. I mean, you guys can explore for yourself if you want. And all the TNT that I have is already in the inventory if you load up the save file. And let's see, I'm gonna prepare a little thing and end the video with a bang, so to speak. But I'll do that off screen because it's not too interesting. Let's see, this one should be 3. Oh, I should show you how to put the TNT in as well, because obviously if you do it wrong then it's not gonna fire. So if we go upstairs again, which module was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one. So the TNT, there's 8 TNT on the floor in a circle, and then the 9th one is there. It's flush with that block, and 1 recess there, and so there's a 3 block, 3 empty blocks, and then that one. So don't put it there, right? That's wrong. If it's, if you see that, that's wrong. It's 1 further up, and obviously not that neither. So it has to be right there. And alright, and aside from that, enjoy playing with the TNT. Okay, I'm gonna set something up and then hopefully it works out well, and then I'll just keep this video really brief because I'll let you guys explore for yourself with the save file. Alright, so I've put all the TNT in place, or not all of the launchers, but all the ones that I want for this particular pattern, and that should be the last of the switches. Alright, so let's go back upstairs and flip the main switch and see what happens. Hopefully nothing breaks. Oops. Alright, so the launcher is in this direction somewhere. If we can find it, here it is. It's kind of raining, and the sky is white. Maybe I should wait for the rain to stop. just cause it's white on white. Maybe I should wait for nighttime. Should I wait for nighttime? No, let's just do it. Okay, that kind of failed. Yeah, so the fireworks is not great. I want to do that again, just cause you couldn't even see it. And I'll wait for nighttime. Yeah, so don't do it against the clouds, cause otherwise you can't see anything. Fail. Alright, so we're back. It's nighttime. I adjusted the sequencing a little bit. Hopefully it's a bit better this time. Nope, fail. Okay, well, that's the shortcoming of the fireworks, is that it's not very accurate. So, well, anyway, the save file is for you to play around with, and I guess I need to think about this a bit more. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay, so I didn't say anything, unfortunately. So as you can see, I extended the length of the launch tubes, and that looked actually a lot cleaner. That actually did look a lot cleaner. I'm gonna review the recording just to see what happened there. But maybe actually extending the launch tubes is the solution. I put in cobble at the moment. I just thought that maybe cobble was a bad idea. Maybe I should use glass instead. I do have a bit of sand now, and glass just to keep it inconspicuous. Might also look pretty awesome. Let me review that recording just to see what happened. Okay, so that was noticeably better, I think. Except that there was some issue with the middle column and also with the far left corner. Let me just check the circuitry and check the things to see what happened. And maybe I just have to make the launch tubes even longer than this. Maybe that's the solution. I'm gonna test glass in... No, this is... yeah? I'm gonna test glass in creative mode. Yeah, but I'll release... So forget about the earlier save file. I'm gonna put in the save file with the cobblestone launch tubes for you guys. Just so you can play with the slightly more accurate version of the fireworks. There's nothing in the launch tubes. If there's any problem, it has to be in the circuitry. But there probably isn't anything wrong with the circuitry. It probably is just the inaccuracy of the TNT, unfortunately. But that does look better, I think. Let me check the circuitry here. Oh crap, I need to climb back up. Oops. Didn't mean to come down. Let me just check the circuitry here. And if I'm using glass tubes, then maybe I can make them even longer. Just because they're transparent, so they won't, get in the way as much. Where are we? So the middle back. Let's just check that everything here is correct. Yep, that's definitely right. And all of these should activate at the same time. Yeah, so there's nothing wrong there. Like sometimes TNT will just misfire. Like I don't know if it's because of the complex redstone, or if it's just a glitch, or if it's the lag because of all the TNT going off at once. But sometimes it just happens. You can't do anything about it. Alright, one last thing. Let me put in some TNT. Alright, so I've put a bunch of TNT in, and let's see how this turns out. Not good. Not good. So that was meant to be a happy face. Let me check the video. Yeah, so it was meant to be the :D grin, so like the open mouth grin, but it turned out to be like a close bracket, like a closed mouth smiley face. So it was supposed to be an open mouth smiley face, but it looked more like a closed mouth smiley face. Yeah, so it's still not very good, unfortunately. And I don't know what to do about it. I really don't know what to do about it. The TNT randomness is really not helping us. Alright. Should I? No. Actually no, I won't touch the save file. Like this kind of failed anyway, this experiment with the launch tubes. Like, it didn't really improve very much. No, I'll leave the old save file for you guys, and I'm gonna delete all this stuff. This was temporary. Yeah, anyway. Things to think about. Maybe that's just the limitations of the TNT and there's nothing I can do about it, so... Okay, let's leave it at that.